Welcome back to Sonic Insights.
Welcome back to another edition of the Sonic Insights newsletter Voiceover. This is the week of October 16th. Apple HomePod Mini could expand HomeKit. Apple is taking another try at building a smart home speaker with the new HomePod Mini, a smaller, less expensive version of its original HomePod. Apple hopes to vastly expand its HomeKit ecosystem to a much wider audience than before. Google Duplex haircut booking feature finally available. 2 years ago at Google I/O 2018, they announced the haircut appointment booking feature for Duplex. Now, users with supported devices in the U.S. can have Google Assistant call barbershops, hairstylists, and salons to reserve appointments on their behalf without having to place calls themselves. Resemble.ai launches localized voice AI. Until now, entertainment companies, ad agencies, call centers, and companies that needed to translate voices would have to use a different voice in each language. With Resemble.ai, voices can be cloned into any language. Nest Thermostat gets new design and home app integration. The new Nest Thermostat, priced at $129.99, received a new design to match the aesthetic of other Assistant products. The new Nest is controlled from the Google Home app, with the old Nest client no longer being supported. Amazon to pay $5 million in patent infringement case. After a 6-day trial, an East Texas jury determined Amazon Echo's product infringed a patent invention from Plano-based Vocal Life. Vocal Life was seeking $30 million for past sales. However, the jury determined Amazon needed to pay a $5 million lump sum to compensate for any damages. Android Sound Notifications app notifies after important noises. Google has worked hard to add accessibility features to Android, both to make Android itself more accessible and to use Android smarts to make the world more accessible. The latest Android accessibility feature, Sound Notifications, can alert those with hearing loss to any important noises nearby. IBM Watson brings public opinion into Bloomberg TV debates. In an effort to bring even more global voices and opinions into the That's Debatable show on Bloomberg, the companies have integrated AI into the traditional debate format. A natural language processing feature called Key Point Analysis allows the Watson AI to synthesize thousands of submissions from the general public prior to each episode and incorporate it into the debate. Free AirPods promotion for iPhone 11 shoppers in India. To celebrate Diwali, Apple has announced that it will offer shoppers in India a free pair of AirPods when they buy an iPhone 11 smartphone. The deal is set to kick off on October 17th, according to Apple. Star Wars Squadrons game adds a voice command mod. A new mod for Star Wars Squadrons allows players to order their AI co-pilots around with vocal commands. The HCS Voice Pack software adds new life to the video game, especially as the AI voices acknowledging orders come from veteran actors. Cochlear.ai raises $2 million Series A. Cochlear's goal is to develop software that can identify almost any kind of sound that is missed by speech recognition and can be used in a wide range of smart hardware, including phones, speakers, and cars. Their $2 million round was led by Smilegate Investment, with participation from Shinhan Capital and NAUIB Capital. Edgify raises $6.5 million seed. Edgify's tech allows edge devices to interpret vast amounts of data, train an AI model locally, and then share that learning across its network for similar devices of things such as NLP or voice recognition. Their $6.5 million round was backed by Octopus Ventures, Mangrove Capital Partners, and an unnamed semiconductor giant thought to be Intel or Qualcomm. Veritonic raises $3.2 million Series A. Veritonic has a goal to create a new category of audio intelligence, namely measuring and predicting the effectiveness of any piece of audio content or advertising. Their $3.2 million round was led by Greycroft, with participation from Lair Hupo and Amazon-owned audiobook service Audible. For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and Hearable's technology, subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube channel by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.